I'm Ellie Marion and I'm the Closet Quilter. Welcome to the closet. I have a couple tips for you today that I learned, one of which I learned from Leah Day. She has a wonderful video on this MINKY fabric that really helped me out just as I was doing a quilt with MINKY fabric. The first time using MINKY fabric. Okay, her tip is to put your stretch side of the MINKY across the top, where you're going to have your backing attached to leaders. Great tip. Thank you, Leah. I pinned my backing and my batting up on my design wall and got it pretty straight. And then I put my top, I started to pin my top and realized I have more than enough fabric on the backing and batting. So I pinned it way down. I gave myself quite a lot of room, as you can see. This is a lot of room. This will be fine. This will serve as my leader cloth, so I can get edge to edge activity right here. So I'm going to have no problem. And my stretch is this way, going across the top, okay? Just like Leah suggests to do, and that's what I'm going to do. Because Leah Day is the queen of hoop frame quilting, and we all love her. Thank you, Leah. And so that's my hot tip today, is give yourself enough room at the top, if you can, so that you don't need leader cloth. And make sure you have enough on the sides and the bottom so that, you know, you don't run into a problem. So yeah, that's the tricky part. If you have a design wall, try this. If you don't, Leah had a hack in her video, putting a metal bar on a wall and then using magnets. Great idea. So if you have an extra wall, that's a solution. As far as how do I tack up my quilt once it's up here and straight, you can spray starch or spray glue, or use an Avery Dennison micro stitch gun, which is what I use. It's very easy. It's got a needle on it. You put the little tabs in there, and then you just proceed to tack it in. Push the needle in, and that seems to work for me pretty well. People sew, baste. They have any number of ways of basting their quilt. This is what I use. I'll put a link up in the video for you. Good luck with your quilting, and thanks for stopping by the Closet Quilter. We're going to get quilting this quilt right away.